Hello guys, today we are going to do slime. First, I already put a little bit of glue here and a little bit of borax. Then we mix. If it gets sticky, you put more borax. I'll do a little bit with more glue. Just a little bit. Finish. More borax. Getting the texture. And the slime is like this now. Super good. It's super sticky. Shreds a lot. Oh no. Bye guys. If you want to you don't like this, you put more borax to be more not so much sticky. Bye.